Hello my dear students, today we are going to touch the first year courses of CHSC. We will cover grammar today. In grammar, the first chapter is countable, uncountable noun. So today we will discuss countable and uncountable noun. Countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun which can be counted. Number one, all human beings are countable. Man. Countable noun, as I said, it has got singular and plural. So, man, plural is man. Boy, boys. Girl, girls. Which has got plural? It is singular, it is plural. Okay? All human beings are countable. Animals. All animals countable. Tiger, tigers. Pig, pigs. So, pig is very important animal because it is the Jagrat Prahari of Swachh Bharat Abhijan. All birds countable. If you ask the girls, what is your favorite, any girls, what is your favorite bird? Answer will come in this way. PP, parrot and peacock. Okay. Number 4. Unit of measurement. Unit of measurement countable. Centimeter, kilometer, meter, liter. Okay, all unit of measurement countable. Individual parts. Individual parts. For example, was this a paper? Further, paper. It is pieces. Pieces individual part, right? Individual part. Pieces, right? We'll keep space for individual parts. We'll go further. Okay? Ordinal number and cardinal number. First, second, third, 1, 2, 3. So, if you add all this, it will be countable, right? Next, tangible object. It is countable. What is tangible object? What you can see, you can touch, and having a particular shape is tangible object. So you can take pens, dusters, mobiles, chair, table, all tangible, what you can see, touch and having a particular shape, countable. So let's move towards uncountable now. We'll come back again to countable. Okay. Suppose sugar is uncountable because you cannot make as sugars, salts. Acha, money is countable or uncountable? There is a question mark regarding money. If you ask anybody, money is countable or uncountable? Some will say it is countable, some will say it is uncountable. Acha, money is countable or uncountable? Suppose it is 500, 1000, 2000. Acha, if I have, okay, 3, 4, 5. It is countable or uncountable? So, if you ask question, some will say it is countable, some will say it is uncountable. But it is uncountable because you cannot make plural of it. You cannot use monies. आप monies use नहीं कर सकते. So, it is uncountable. But the individual part of money is rupee. Rupees. But monies नहीं होता है. Okay, dollar is countable. Money is uncountable. Pound is countable. Money is uncountable. Clear? We'll take all liquid uncountable. All liquid uncountable. Water, honey, oil, all liquid uncountable. Water uncountable, drop countable. Water uncountable, 1 liter of water countable. Right? All liquid uncountable. All gases uncountable. All gases uncountable. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, etc. It is okay, uncountable. If you add ing form, it is uncountable noun. You may get a question. If we add ing, suppose I am walking. Without walking, you can say, sir, you have said if ing is added, it is uncountable. So it is uncountable. No, it is not uncountable. It is verb. It is subject. It is auxiliary verb. It is man verb. Okay. So it is not noun. It is verb. But if you bring it into the past part, walking is good for health. It is walking is uncountable. Noun having ing form, it is uncountable. Okay. Languages. But language is uncountable. For example, Odia. If you go for plural of Odia, Odia is language. Odias means it is related to people, not language. Is that okay? And last one I like to discuss, that is intangible object. Intangible object. It can be both countable and uncountable. It can be both countable and uncountable on the basis of plural. Suppose idea. We'll take the word idea. Idea is countable or uncountable? It is countable because you can give 1, 2, 3 ideas. Okay. Honesty. You cannot make plural of it. Honesties नहीं होगा. That's why it is uncountable. Sincerity. अनकाउंटेबल. व्हाट अबाउट लव? LOV, लव. सर लव लव्स होता है, बट इफ यू मेक लव्स, लव का लव्स करोगे तो इट विल बी वर्ब. सो लव इज अनकाउंटेबल because you cannot bring 1 kilo of love or 10 loves or 5 loves, so it is uncountable, right? It is all about countable, uncountable in very short. Okay, I do hope you understand it. Okay, thank you. Use of much, many, a lot of, or lots of. It has got connection with countable and uncountable noun. Okay, where to use much? We use much in negative and interrogative sentences. What about many? It is used in negative and interrogative. So, problem arises. Much is used in negative interrogative, many is used in negative interrogative, but much is used in uncountable noun and many countable noun. Clear? Where to use lot of or lots of? It is synonymously used. In negative, interrogative, countable and uncountable noun both. That means, okay, here comes negative interrogative, here comes negative interrogative, countable, uncountable both. So, no need to use much and many. We can manage everything with a lot of or lots of, right? No, it is not. That means you cannot use negative interrogative in, okay, in lot of, lots of. Okay? It may be countable or uncountable, doesn't matter. So, it is all about, okay, much, many and lot of, lots of. But I'd like to create some problem before you. Without negative interrogative also, you can use much and many. Where? If 2 days or age is there, you can use much and many. Okay. For example, देखिए, you can take age, days, age, photographs. क्या करेंगे? Much or many? हाँ, yeah. But same rule is there. If 2 days is there or age days is there, you can use both much and many. But for uncountable it is much, for countable it is many. Right? So too much water. Age, days, age, photographs. Photographs. So, on the basis of it, it can be used much and many. Thank you. Now, we'll discuss about use of little, a little, few, a few. Little, a little. Which is greater? Little. Few, a few. Which is greater? Few. Now, a little is greater and a few is greater. A little is greater and a few is greater. A little means something. A few means something. A little refers to amount. A few refers to number. So, Let me give some example. Okay. I visited Sonali and Sonakshi. Sonali gave me, I thought that it is a bigger one. When I saw few drops. Sonali gave half cup of tea to me. So I like to say it is a little. A little means something. Here I like to say it is little. That means it is na ke barabar. Na ke barabar. Little means, a little means something, little means na ke barabar. Similarly, few, a few. Do you know Bengali? Actually, I don't know Bengali. আমি বাংলা বলতে পারি না, একটু একটু বলতে পারো. That means I can speak a few words. Means I have got some idea about Bengali. I can speak a few words. That means a few. Few means I can speak few words, means na ke barabar. Few means na ke barabar. So I do hope that you got idea about countable, uncountable now. Use up much, many, lots of, little, a little, few, a few. It is all about the first chapter. In the next chapter, we'll discuss article. Thank you very much.